For decades, military power was measured in jets, tanks, and warships. The assumption was simple. The more advanced and expensive the system, the more dominant it would be on the battlefield. But modern warfare has exposed a flaw in that logic. In recent conflicts, some of the most effective weapons are not billion-dollar platforms, but consumer-grade drones that cost less than a used car. Cheap drones, particularly first-person view or FPV drones, have changed how wars are fought. Originally built for racing and hobbies, these systems are now being modified to carry explosives, scout enemy positions, and strike vehicles, artillery, and infantry with surprising precision. What makes them dangerous is not advanced technology, but accessibility. They are easy to acquire, easy to modify, and easy to replace. Traditional air defenses are poorly suited to deal with them. Radar systems are designed to track fast, high-altitude aircraft, not slow, low-flying drones with minimal radar signatures. Even when detected, using expensive missiles to shoot down cheap drones creates a losing economic equation. Spending hundreds of thousands of dollars to stop a system that costs a few hundred is not sustainable. Drones also collapse the sensor-to-shooter timeline. In the past, finding a target, reporting it, and engaging it could take minutes or hours. Today, a single operator can detect, track, and strike a target in seconds. This speed leaves little time for concealment or maneuver and forces units to assume they are being watched at all times. Psychological impact is another overlooked factor. Constant drone presence creates fatigue and stress among troops who know they can be targeted at any moment. The battlefield is no longer silent between engagements. Surveillance is continuous, and mistakes are immediately punished. Most importantly, drones shift the balance of power. Smaller forces can challenge technologically superior opponents by forcing them to defend everything all the time. This does not replace tanks, aircraft, or artillery, but it fundamentally changes how they must be used. The lesson is clear. Modern warfare is no longer defined solely by the most advanced platforms, but by adaptability. Militaries that fail to integrate drones, counter drones, and operate under constant observation will find themselves outpaced by enemies who do. The future of war belongs not just to the strongest, but to the most flexible.